Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a freelancer, remote worker, or business owner looking to send or receive money internationally with low fees, Wise formally Wise formally TransferWise is one of the best options out there. In this video, I will show you how to set up your Wise account step by step. Even if you are completely new, let's get into it. First of all, head over to wise.com or download the Wise app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now click the register button at the top right if you are on desktop or tap sign up on mobile. You can sign up using your email, Google account, Facebook account, and Apple ID. Then choose the type of your account. Enter your email address or continue with your Google account. Then choose the type of your account, like personal account if you are using it for yourself, or business account if you are creating it for your company. So after that, enter your name. Wait a minute. I have already an account, so I'll now I'm on new browser. Then search for os.com. Then click register. Now, now I'm going to show you how to create an account. So enter your email address. Now I'm going to copying my email account or Gmail account, whichever. Then enter. Then click next. Now check your email inbox. Now click confirm email address. Now follow the steps. Click continue. Now select personal account for yourself. Now select the country. Now follow the country follow the country process, like receive. You can also uh, send money abroad if you are in Bangladesh. Then click continue. Now agree and continue. Enter your phone number for two-factor authentication verification. Then click send verification code. Then enter code. After that, create a strong password. Wise will send you a confirmation email like that. Just click confirm your email. Once you are in your dashboard, click open a balance or get account details to choose the currency you want, like USD, GBP, Euro, etc. Wise gives you local bank details for each supported currency so you can get paid like a local in different countries. To unlock full features like sending and receiving large amounts, Wise will ask you to verify your identity. This usually includes a photo of your passport, ID card, or driver's license, a selfie or video of your face, sometimes a proof of address like a utility bill. Verification usually takes a few hours to a day. Now, you can add money to your Wise account. So, Wise account dashboard. Wait a minute. It's look like that. Just click Add Money from your dashboard, or you can add your bank account from here. Choose the currency and amount, then pick a payment method like debit card, credit card, bank transfer, or Apple Pay. Wise offers real exchange rates with low fees. You will see exactly what you are paying. If you want to receive payments, go to your balance and click Get Account Details. You will see your account number, chart code, IBAN number, and more. You can also order a Wise debit card to shop or withdraw money worldwide. This is optional but really handy. For this, search for Wise debit card, then click Order your card, then log into your account and follow the process. Simple. To make sure everything works, try a small transfer to a friend or another account or even your back to yourself. It's a great way to see the speed and low fees in action. So from Manage tab, you can add your bank account. Just click Account Details, then add your account name, bank name, IBAN number for international transfer. From recipients section, you can add your recipients. From here, click Send Money, then enter your recipient account details and follow the process. You now have a fully functional Wise account that lets you send, receive, and hold money in multiple currencies easily and affordably. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. See you soon.